This student management, the student attendance system. It is developed in VB6 and MS Access, and also use Crystal Report. So in your system, you need to have to install Visual Basic 6.0, MS Access, and Crystal Report. Crystal Report 8.5 or 9 you required. So once you buy this project, you will get this file. This is source code folder. Then you will get that installation guide, project report, and synopsis. So first we will open the project. You can check the Crystal report also. Like this Crystal report, you need to install this particular version of the your Crystal report. Crystal report 8.5 I have installed. So you can just install, download or install or whatever. Then you can open this files in Crystal report. This is employee register. Same way there is a student register also there. Okay. So to start this project, you have to just open this project in Visual Basic 6.0. What I will do, I will just start Visual Basic 6.0 first. To start, you will just go to Visual Basic 6 folder. Then you will get the Visual Basic 6.0. Just right click here. I am using Windows 10. If it is better to use Windows 7 32-bit system, but mine is Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, so I will use run as administrator. Yes. Okay. Once just cancel it, click on File, Open Project, and just paste the path. This is a source folder. This is a Visual Basic project file, VBP file. You have to open this one. Click on OK. Now these are the files. Once you open this project, just go to the project. There is a project explorer. Okay, so these are all the files. Like these are the different form is there, and coding also there. Like this one, the starting screen. Suppose you want to change anything, you can just type here. Suppose I want to change something, so I can do some changing here also. Or say login form I want to change. I want to, because this name will come from database, the school name. There is a database, the school name on its table is there. So if you add this, it will create that change will be happen. Okay, so first you have to just start the project. This is splash screen, and then you login from login. This send policy will coming from database. In your data Microsoft Access, there will be one table called school name, and if you want to change that, you can change that. Okay, so this is the default user ID and password. I will log in here. So when I log in, this is my main screen. So I'll just minimize all that files. Okay. And okay. This is my project. Okay. Now basically this project, what about this student attendance system? Means there will be student master, and then there will be employee, the teacher master, then which student will take which class. There is a mapping is there, and then you have to enter the attendance daily, and then you can generate all the reports. Okay, so first we will add a one student. So say my student name is Farman, so you can say Farman is my name is say then the father's name, say then say my surname, then occupation of father, I can type service. Occupation, say housewife, and then religion, you can choose any religion, then birthplace, so you can select the first January. Then date of birth, you can just change like 2014, or you can just select from there. You can choose anyone. In guardian, it is not compulsory. Last school, it is not compulsory. In date of birth, okay, date of birth, date of admission. So today is the date of admission, or I can give like that. Then student, which class? I say this is the division pre-primary, primary, secondary. So I will admitted a primary section. So if you select secondary, this class will change. Okay, 9, 10. So I will say standard 1. Then say standard 1, which category? Pre category. Now what is the division? I say B division. the roll number will automatically come, the next roll number. Okay, so then and whatever is in a compulsory, so the GR number, this is a registration number, say 10, so the numeric field you have to type 1001 or say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's a one section you can add these details also. So in the list, then after that you have to save the record. The record is saved. Okay, do you want to more record? No, I want only one record. Once it's added, you can just go modify student. Okay, so you can just find, or you can just class wise also find, like standard A. So I have added the class last one. This Amicat Maita I have added. So details is come. What is the date of birth, everything. So I want to modify anything. So I want to add name change and say modify. Then save. The record is saved. Now the record is saved. Now if I want to change anything, you can change. Once this is a student register, so you can generate the register also. Like I want to generate all the student of class A. So display. So once same way you can this register you can generate in sorry this one. This register you can generate in history report also. Like I am say primary section standard view display. I can select any of the record and then print selected. To map the crystal report for connectivity, you have to create one DSN. For DSN, you have to just go to control panel. Then you will have to go the administrator tool. Then there is a ODBC driver. You have to create one DSN for DSN student add. It is written in the installation guide. So I'll just show how to create. Just remove it. Add. So you have to give the same exact name. Okay, so you just open the installation guide. The name will be written. Okay, this one DSN student attendant. Okay, so you just have to give the same name. So you have to get Microsoft Access driver. Finish. Give the name. Now select the database path. So database will be in data folder. Database path. Just copy this path. Select. Paste here. Select the data. Okay. Click on OK. That's it. Okay. So I have created the DSN. If you don't create DSN, it will not work. Okay, so you have to create the DSN. Once you DSN created, you can. So I want to create this two record only. Print selected, it will display record for this selected record only. Okay, this is a history record. Same way there is a employee master also there. So you can add or edit any employee details here. I want to edit something. I want to say mobile number. I want to add and save. So record will save. Okay. Now same way. This is class master. Suppose you want to add a new class, you have to just click on new class. You have to select the section, which section you want to add. Class name. So I want to add a class of say LKG. I'll put the name LKG. Section name say A. Add new. LKG is created. Okay. Now suppose I want to add this class. It will add in the box. It will add LKG install. Once it is done, you will add modify subject. So there is already subject is there. So you could just check the subject, which subject you want to use. Once now then there is a mapping of subject and employee mapping. For standard 1 class, there is a different subject is there. Which teacher need to be mapped with this subject. So you can select and save that settings. Okay, so then it will be changed. Once it is done, you have to enter the mark. So I want to enter mark for standard 1 and section say B section subject for art, and it is already added, so I can just say I want to add class for art. Art is there, already added. So now how we will add? We have to just select the row, right click here, and this is the option will come. I want to present. So I want to make this 3 absent, or I want to do 3 absent. Okay, then you have to update. Once you updated, so if you go again for fifth, then you can go present update. And if you come back and say 4 display, so whatever date you have made, it will display absent. Or you want to change it, you can make it like this. Once you've done this, then you can generate the report, daily attendance. So you have to just select the class name, section. I have created the subject. I want to generate the report of 4, which I have marked. It will display. So I want to generate for 5th. If it is not there, it will show blank. No, that's there. So I will display here like this. Then I can generate this attendance as an Excel file. So I'll click in Excel. So it will create the report with the date and class, everything. Okay. And student name. Same way you can generate monthly report also. You have to select the standard, then section, subject, and then which month, June month display. So it will display name, then it will display that particular day. Whichever day you have marked the attendance, it will display. This is that I have not marked any attendance. This is once you generate, you can export it to Excel also. Then you can save it, print it, whatever you want. This is the month of June. Now overall attendance. Here you can select the date from to. For 1 week I can generate, like I want to generate for standard 1, section, subject. Now I want to generate the report from 1st to say 6 display. So it will display number of days I have selected, then what are the days, how many is present, how many is holiday, how many is absent, everything will calculate, and then percent, whichever date he is present, absent, everything will display. Now this data you can export in Excel also. And save it and use anything, print out or share. And these are the change password, so you can change your login password. You can add any user from this screen. So I want to add a new user. Password, I give the same password. User is here. So this is the project. So once you purchase, you will get all the files like this database, then source code, project report, everything.